Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby and welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1985 Chevrolet Silverado. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or email us. Come on up and let's check it out. Across the front, you'll notice the grille is in excellent condition. We can also see that a new bumper has been installed. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the side and you can see that the body is straight as an arrow. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out the interior. It features a two-tone brown and saddle color scheme that flows perfectly with the gold exterior. A new dash pad has been installed and it features tilt wheel with a custom steering wheel. All of the gauges are working as they should and are in great condition. The bench seat has a new cover installed and the padding is great. Now that we checked out the interior, let's make our way around the back. You'll notice that the rear bumper has been installed new, just like the front. We can see that all of the tailgate has an excellent fit and that all of the trim is beautiful along with the taillight lenses and bezels. This truck has a stunning appearance as the gold paint has been buffed and polished to a mirror finish. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can check out the stance on this Silverado. You'll notice the fit of the cab and all of the panels are phenomenal, with all the gaps being even and symmetrical. To finish off the stance is sitting on a set of 20-inch chrome wheels that's been lowered to the perfect height and features drop spindles. It also comes with power steering and power brakes with the disc up front and drums out on the back. Now that we've been around the exterior, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. All of the detail is beautiful and you can see the inner fenders and firewall are all rock solid. It's powered by the 350 engine that's dressed in the custom Chevrolet valve covers along with having a polished air cleaner. This is a factory air-conditioned truck that's all there and working. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Silverado with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube and our Facebook. Have a great day!
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.